This content is presented by Funded Futures Family for educational and entertainment purposes only. This live show does not provide financial or investment advice. Futures trading involves substantial risk of loss and is not suitable for everyone. All trades, analysis, market opinions, and commentary reflect personal perspectives only and may change without notice. Past performance does not guarantee future results. Simulated performance results have inherent limitations and do not represent actual live trading. You are solely responsible for your own trading decisions, risk management, and results. Always do your own research and consult a licensed financial professional before making any trading decisions. Viewing this content does not create a client, advisory, or fiduciary relationship.
By June we hit an extra 2 million in payouts. So that's honestly a really good thing. But today, guys, we do have a special guest. It is Trader Joe. He will be joining us and going over trading with us. Yes, FFF Volume 2 dropping soon. You guys aren't ready. Let's bring up Trader Joe though. Let's give a W in the chat for Trader Joe. I do have my coffee though. All right, what's up, Joe? Do your thing, bro. Whoa, nice hoodie. Wow. You guys see that? That's sick merch. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Ever. You guys hear that? W. No stutters. All right, Jojo. Let's see if we can find a trade that we can hit. I know it's already past orb time, but okay, for sure, for sure. Just share your screen whenever you're ready. A couple updates though, guys. Like I said, we did hit 19 million payouts last night, Jojo. By the way, 19 mil. We hit about 2 million all of May. We were at 17 million at the start of May, and at June we're at 19 million now. Yep. So the people that say we don't pay out, tell my wallet that because I'm paying 2 million a month. We do, and that's what I love. I love that the community's growing. I love that people are pulling payouts. They're feeling good. We're changing lives, and like, think about it. If someone pulls a payout, the chance that they already broke even or making some money is definitely high. So I feel good knowing that we took more people out of 9 to 5s and brought them over here. Exactly. I had some big plans for the future, but I think what we have going on now is really good. And the big things dropping soon are gonna be more than amazing. Yeah. I mean, we've kind of leaked it already. Not much, no info on it, just the name. But FFF Volume 2 is dropping very soon. Volume 2, isn't that cool? Really? Man, that's gonna be insane. I'm excited. I gotta learn from you. ICT and Orb at the same time. I got you. I'll come to your house. I'll sit right there in the back. Is that your dog? Oh my gosh, Gooey. Really? So Gooey is the one you found in Arizona or no? Wow, that's crazy. That's funny. Wow, he's getting older. Whoa. He looks comfy though. He sleeps a lot. Yeah. Yeah. That's so funny. Yeah, that's really nice. You're gonna be a good dad one day. Hopefully not too soon, right? For sure, for sure. All right. Well, how was the market today, Joe? Oh, that's a big drop. Yeah, that's fair. And Q's away. Like fundeds are different. You gotta be more prepared for fundeds, right? Yeah, yeah, yeah. That's fair. Yeah,
Hey, I think both of my break even moving my stop loss to break even, I feel like was valid. And guys in the chat, if you feel like it wasn't valid to move to stop my stop to break even, let me know. Let me know your opinions. I feel like it was valid. This one saved me. I got a break even stop, and then if I'll show up that MES trade again. This is the one that hurts a little bit, but I
yeah.
don't care. Break even, man. I still have the same
Hey,
amount of money that I had before the day
it's all about
started.
risk management.
What?
It's all about risk management.
Yeah, exactly. If you don't like something, then just cut it. Like there's no point this is a I think a big struggle for me sometimes and for a lot of traders is accepting that you're wrong sometimes, right? Sometimes you're just wrong and you just don't have the trade idea right, and that's okay. That's all a part of trading. You're going to be wrong. This is the thing. You could be wrong. I said this in my Discord yesterday. You could be wrong 50%, 60% of the time and still be a profitable trader making hundreds of thousands to millions of dollars, right? Because it's not necessarily always about win rate. It is about your risk management, like you're just saying.
Yeah,
Uh, and I think that's really the key to focus on. So like my view when I'm looking for a trade is this an A plus setup? If it's an A plus setup, great. Then I'm taking the trade, and if it wins or it loses, it does not matter to me
Yeah,
because I know what my risk was before I jumped to the trade. I know it's a good setup, high probability. Whatever happens after that is up to the market. I can't control that. So that's kind of my opinion. So
that's
that was
awesome.
today's two
Yeah.
trades. Yeah.
If you know my brother, guys, he trades. He'll have like 5 good days. Be like, oh, I have a really high win rate. Then his one losing trade swipes all of his profits the last 5 days. That's not how you should be trading. That's not good risk management because although your winning rate is high, why does it matter if your one loss takes all of your profits?
Yep. Exactly, dude. That's very well put. That's really what matters.
Guys,
Like
don't let one
I know
trade
a
take
lot of
all of your
people.
profits. Don't lose everything in one day,
No,
guys.
it's not worth it, man.
It's
It's not
not.
worth it.
But
It's just
Jojo, let's run a giveaway. Let's run a giveaway. We're at
ooh, I'm
19
down.
million payouts today. I'm so happy about that.
Let's go.
People traded majority of the day today already. So, it's what time is it? 11:46 a.m. Eastern time. Getting ready for power hour.
Yeah. Yeah.
All right, guys. Well, let's run a giveaway. Drop a W in the chat. I'm gonna be picking someone that I find. I'm just gonna click
Prick.
print screen, and whoever it lands on is the winner. 3, 2, 1.
W's, W.
All right, we got motion.
Hey,
IFVG.
emotion.
Motion. Motion is the winner. We're gonna be
Hey,
giving
that's
out
my
a
guy.
50K premiere.
That's my guy, Motion. He's in my
That's your guy,
Discord.
Motion. He's in your Discord. Awesome, Motion.
Yeah.
See what happens when you join in.
Let's go. That's good
When
luck
you
right
trust
there.
Trader Joe. He's your
Come on
boy.
now. Come on now.
Motion has won a 50K premiere plus. You choose end of day or intraday. I'm cool to be there. Trade of 8, well charts. You could choose as well. All right.
Dude, that's hype. Let's
All right,
go.
guys. Also, just so you know, if you guys get a coupon code to redeem, we did add a redeem section in the dashboard. So you'll be inputting the code in there rather than on the coupon side. It's not a coupon, it's a redeemable code. So
Nice.
works out.
Very nice. I'm trying not to be in pain right now, guys. This trade is about to hit my TP, and I'm not in.
I was talking to someone else a couple weeks ago, and they were talking about how it's worse to hit or to not hit a trade that you should have taken, hit your setup, than to lose a trade.
100%. Every single time. Every single time, dude.
That's
That's
rough, Joe.
that's something I preach a lot. It
Yeah,
feels it's way worse to not be in a trade than to take a loss. When it runs to your TP, you had the perfect idea, perfect analysis. That's not a good feeling. It's a little better when it's break even, like, you know what? It is what it is. You know, the one good thing is when this does happen, when I get stopped at break even, then it runs to TP.
yeah,
At least I know that my analysis was spot on. So I'm happy about that.
yeah.
That makes me happy.
You could add it to your
That makes
data books. That's what I would do. Honestly, I feel like I should get more time. I don't know how I can make more time. But I want to
yeah,
work on
it's hard.
strategy and I want to run data through it. I want to literally run my trades per session, per trade, my winning rate, my losing rate, how many times I like slipped out of my strategy, whatever. I think that's really
Yep.
important for people to do, getting the real statistics on it. And I think that, you know, us as FFF have made a journal so you guys can journal all of your trades. I want to make it more in depth though. I am focused on a couple other things for the firm right now. But eventually, I want to make it more in depth so you guys can see why you're losing. Is it Asia that you're losing? Is it, whatever the case is?
Yeah, that's a great idea. I think having data to back your trading is huge. You got to have statistics. You got to journal. Like it's not just data. I ran a mentorship at the start of the year, and one of the main focuses it wasn't about data on your trading. That was part of it, but it was about receiving data on yourself and studying that data. So data about your risk management, your psychology, where do you go wrong majority of the time and how do you fix it? And that is I think more important than anything else.
Yeah. Did you see the video 1,000 sent in the chat?
No, dude, this chat is still being spammed right
1,000.
now. I can't.
Drop it
I
again.
can't. See-
He made
I
an AI
can't see
video
it.
of you.
Oh no, is it the one of me running through a wall?
Yeah.
Yeah, see, he sent that. He sent that in the Discord chat. Well,
That
he had the video of me wearing the helmet, and then I was like, "Can you make the video of me like running through a wall?" He's like, "Oh, I got you."
what helmet do you have?
No,
Oh,
that's the
he just
helmet's
made it.
AI. Yeah,
You know what's
yeah, yeah.
crazy? I still have my helmet. I never gave it back to
No way, bro.
because I broke my leg, remember? So
Yeah, and you
because
just
I broke my
kept it.
leg, they never asked for it back.
Dang, dude, I wish I still had my helmet.
I have like
That's
the
cool.
eagle wings on it too.
Yeah, that's
The number
clean, dude. It was a clean
21.
helmet. Got a lot
What?
of concussions in that helmet.
Dude, oh my gosh. I remember.
Remember when I almost died, bro?
Dude, yes, you and Jaden, right?
Yeah, same game.
Oh, you guys
That
hit
was
each other. It
ins
was against Aquinas.
Yeah, that was insane. That did not feel good.
They started
That
putting the
did not
third
feel
strings
good.
in against Aquinas. I was like, oh god,
Yeah.
this is
That
bad.
team was good. That team was good, but hey, you know what? I always think about it this way because I always thought that I was gonna go on and be a football player in college and all that. And because of injuries, I wasn't able to, but
Yeah,
because of that, it led me to trading. So, you know
yeah,
what? Like everything happens for a reason.
exactly.
I always try to remember
You
that.
know, and God is good. And God does things in weird ways, but we trust in Him. Everyone at FFF
Amen.
knows that I'm a fearful guy of God, and
Hey, me
you
too,
know,
man. Me too.
He does big things, and I think He'll do big things in all these traders as well too.
I 100% agree, man. 100% agree. You can't fight against God's plan, man. You gotta go with it.
Yes,
Stay on that
sir.
path.
And FFF,
I've tried to fight that plan too many times. I've tried
that
to go
too, you
off the
know,
road and do my own thing, and it doesn't work out.
doesn't. But look where He led you. Look where He led you.
Exactly. Exactly, man. He's
Doesn't.
always got a plan.
Yes, sir.
Dude,
Yes,
this
sir.
is gonna be difficult for I don't know if I'll have a trade. The only trade I would look at down here would be a reversal back to the upside
Yeah.
after ES takes the low. I'm actually gonna look at the actual ES chart here. So if ES
God's
takes
plan
this
is better than
low,
our plans. Yes, chat.
we could see a reversal back up. Because we'll have a major SMT divergence down here. But if that doesn't happen, I'd stay out of this market for now.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
But lunchtime reversal, this is what I look for. I can just talk real quick for a lunchtime reversal, guys. I use my Fibonacci retracement tool from the high of the morning to the low of the morning, and what I'll do is I'll drag it. So I'll find the midpoint, right, of that range. So wherever that midpoint is. And if we have a reversal structure, let's say a breaker block, a unicorn, or my entry model, a GUI model, something like that, it will set up a good reversal move back to the midpoint of the daily range. So that's something I typically look for around lunchtime. That's kind of one of the only setups I look for during lunch or around lunch hour. We don't always see continuation during lunch hour. Most of the time we'll see either consolidation or a retracement. So that's really what I'd be looking for
Yeah,
if I was going to take a trade.
that's
That would be my
awesome.
only focus.
All right, guys. While we're waiting to see if we take a trade, join YouTube. I'm going to be giving away an account on YouTube,
Nice.
and we have to spin the wheel. So I'm gonna give you guys like till 9 a.m. to hop on YouTube because we have a spin the wheel. Look at that. You guys see the spin the wheel on YouTube? I think it's
Dude,
nice.
I love the wheel. I love the wheel.
Wow, I like it. So guys, join on YouTube. Here, I'm dropping the link again. 40 watching on YouTube. Wow, they killed it. Guys, the production team on YouTube is killer. Hey, Drew, we're gonna
I gotta
launch at 9 a.m. though. It's a little early, but I like seeing it because it looks nice.
Ooh, that looks clean. I like it. I just pulled up the YouTube
It's nice,
stream.
huh?
Yeah, looks good.
All
Very
right.
nice.
Can you give me a fresh $46 code?
Yeah, so how did the chat trade today, guys? Did you guys take any dubs today?
Yeah, chat. Profit roll call. What's everyone's profits
Oh
at
no.
today? Or
I don't
loss? Roll
know what
call.
he's doing.
Guys, just by
What is
hopping
it?
in YouTube, you will be entered onto the wheel. It's just through the YouTube chat. So make sure you guys like and subscribe as well. There's 70 people watching. 70 people need to be liking and subscribing as well. I want to see that thumbs up.
Oh yeah.
Hit that thumbs up and you're part of the giveaway. What do you say to enter? You thumbs up and you subscribe.
One of
And
these right here.
one of these. Hey Joe, I did get one of these for my room. Look at it. Is that nice?
Ooh, nice. That's clean. I have one for my Discord. I just haven't put it back up behind me.
I like the
I think
TV.
what I'm gonna do in my office is I'm gonna mount my TV up in front of me
Yeah,
on this wall and then put my sign back there.
that'll be nice. Let me know if you need help. I got good with
Dude,
power
I might
tools.
I might need help with mounting the TV,
Let
bro.
me know. You're not far away
All
from
right,
me.
I'll let you know. I'll let you know.
All right. In 4 more minutes, we will start the giveaway. Again, guys, make sure you like and subscribe. I want to see the I like this go up. It's only at 12.
Yeah, we gotta get some more in there. Come on. I'll give it a like.
Aw, that's so sweet.
I'm already subscribed, so
Hey, Joe, we do need to run some routes today
dude, I'm down. I'm down.
or this week for sure. We have a busy day today. Did you see?
Yeah, bro,
We're
it's
gonna
gonna be
go
a good
watch a
day.
fight today.
It's gonna be a good day.
Be a great day. It's at 81 likes. Is mine just glitching?
I only see 31.
Oh, it's 85. Dang, it did go up. My bad. It wasn't
Oh
loading for
well,
me, guys. My bad. 81. Nice. All right, 3
very
more
nice.
minutes until we run the FFF TV YouTube spin the wheel. Let me tell the chat,
Spin that wheel.
guys, spin the wheel on YouTube starting at 9 a.m. Hopped in before we spin that wheel.
Do, do, do,
Have you had coffee today,
do.
Joe?
Oh yeah, I have coffee every morning while I'm trading. I don't
Really?
survive without it.
I can't either anymore. I can't either.
It's tough. You got to be focused. Some people don't like it because it makes them like jittery and they feel like they get like
The
too
best part?
anxious when they trade. But I don't. I feel great.
Not yeah. I
I
think
feel
I
great.
I remember hearing about that, or not hearing about that, but I understand how people could be like, they're starting to trade, they're new to this, and then they get a little anxious. After every trade that you take, your heart's like pumping, you don't know when to get out.
Hmm.
But then after a while, you just trust your statistics, and then it gets easier.
Yeah, exactly. You stop. If you're stressing about a trade, then this is not for beginners. Like beginners,
No.
everybody's going to stress. That's just natural. But if you are an experienced trader and you're stressing about a trade, that means you probably shouldn't be in that trade. That's how I look
Yep.
at it. Like I try to make trades completely non-stressful because you just trust your setup. Trust your setup, win or lose. And if it gets stressful, then get out of your trade. Just don't. It's not worth it.
No, not at all.
Not worth it. That's how
Alrighty,
I feel.
guys. 1 more minute, and we are starting this spin the wheel. Everyone that's in chat, like and subscribe. 91 watching on YouTube. 98 likes on YouTube. That's pretty sick. I just liked it. 99 likes on YouTube. Open max leverage trade, no matter how pro you are, you're gonna stress. Well, that's why you don't open max leverage.
Yeah,
If
that's
you're
why you
pro,
don't.
you're not gonna open max leverage unless you're bored and you have $50 to spare and you're like, just gonna see what happens.
Yeah, if you really truly don't care, but then at the same time you shouldn't stress about it
Yeah.
because you don't care about the money. I always say if you've spent money on trading, you shouldn't that's money's already gone. In my
Yeah.
mind, the money's already gone. That's how you don't stress about it. You can't be attached to the money.
Can't be attached to money, guys. Alrighty. Drew, Let's spin that wheel. Hit it, Drew. Actually, don't know how it works, but Drew, you can hit that spin that wheel, and I think it's gonna pick one of the people in the YouTube, someone who liked and subscribed. Okay, guys, while he's getting that ready, you guys can keep putting W in the chat or tell us any questions you guys have for us. We are
Yeah.
spinning that wheel on YouTube. I think the countdown has to go.
Hey, any members from my Discord that's in this chat right now, did you guys hold the shorts? Did anybody hold those shorts all the way down here?
Okay,
I
guys,
hope.
I just got news. You guys have to type in the chat FFF TV to join the spin the wheel. That's the key word. So type in the YouTube chat FFF TV ASAP if you guys want to be a part of the spin that wheel.
There we go.
I got timed out on YouTube. Why'd you get timed out on YouTube? What'd you do?
Uh-oh.
All right, collecting data. Type in FFF TV, guys. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, spin the wheel. Let's see who wins the account. Atharva Bakel.
Let's go.
How do you say that?
Congrats.
Atharva Bakel. I did it.
That sounded good to me. It sounded good to me.
Yeah, it did. Liked it. Atharva Bakel, you are the winner of a 50K premiere. You have been by the owner of this video of a moderator. Are you spamming 0?
Too much spam.
Too much spam. Guys, there's 100 people watching on YouTube right now. That's insane. I feel like I need to do another giveaway because I'm feeling lovely today. All right, guys, because we have
He's
100
feeling
people
generous.
watching. Per 100 people, I will do an extra giveaway on top of what we have. So let's go ahead. And Drew, let's spin that wheel. Guys, type FFF TV again. The only one that can't win is Atharva Bakel. But this is for a 50K Premiere Plus. Then wheel, FFF TV. Wow, Joe, you have 100 people watching on YouTube.
Let's go.
That's pretty cool. Everyone wants to spin that wheel. FFF TV in the YouTube, guys, to join in on the Discord.
YouTube chat.
Or Discord, to join in on the spin that wheel. Oh, new keyword. What's the keyword, Drew? Oh, it's too late. My bad, my bad. All right, and the winner is Old Ronnie Boy. Old Ronnie Boy. So we have Atharva Bakel and Old Ronnie Boy.
Oh, Ronnie boy.
Man,
That's got a ring to it.
Ronnie.
Old Ronnie boy. It's a good name.
I know a couple Ronnies.
I know a Ronald.
Ronald. Do I know a Ronald? I don't know. All right.
Good.
Well, how's the market
name.
looking, Joe?
Dude, I'm waiting to see if
Reverse?
ES sweeps out low of day. Yeah, that's the only thing that would make me want to get in a trade is if ES sweeps low of day. The ES level would be 7,574. If we can sweep that and get inversion back up or break of structure back up, that's the only thing that would make me want to trade this. We're just too far down.
Yeah.
Now we're deep in the discount. If you didn't get an entry up here, you should not be chasing the shorts down here. In my opinion, this is where you're now waiting for longs. I have a rule where I like to stay out of the shorts in a discount, right? The bottom 50% of a range, stay out of longs in a premium, the top 50% of a range, and that helps me take better trades, helps me stay out of a lot of losing trades and stop chasing, right? You don't want to chase at the end of a move. So down here, Yeah, just be waiting for a nice clean reversal. We have a daily fair value gap down here. We have a 4-hour fair value gap. So we have a lot of bounce levels. We're going to have a major SMT divergence, reversal. So it could be a nice setup on ES today. We'll see
Yeah.
if it sweeps, but I won't touch anything unless we sweep that low.
Yeah, I think it's difficult though. I mean, we've been running all-time highs for a couple months over and over and over again. I think NQ doubled since last year. I think it was at 17,000. What is that? 36,000 pretty much. So, I mean, how it's difficult to trade on all-time highs because you never know when it's going to
So
drop, you never know when it's going to reverse.
it is difficult. So yeah, the peak we've hit is 30,800 on NQ. And yeah, so it's gone up like crazy, insane. Um, it's hard. It is hard to time. What I like to read, this is why I'm able to short at all-time highs, is because I read order flow. Um, and if you read order flow, you're gonna know when there is a good amount of selling pressure or buying pressure in the market. And if you can find discrepancies between the two markets, between NQ and ES, the correlating markets, with bearish order flow, that's the only time that I find it okay to short at all-time highs. If you're not, otherwise, you should only be looking for longs at all-time highs. But like
Yeah.
both of my trades today were shorts, both good trade ideas, because we had a very bearish market, bearish order flow. There's a lot of selling pressure. We had targets below us of liquidity. So it made sense to short. But a lot of people get caught trying to short right at all-time highs. And the issue with that is we don't always do what we did today. So today we swept all-time highs and then instantly reversed. But most of the time, when we run all-time highs, it just keeps going like this, right? And you can't guess the top. It's never a good idea to guess the top. But what you can do is you can wait for price to come back down, wait for a break of structure, which for me is a close below a swing low, wait for a bearish order flow like today, wait for an orb breakout, and then catch the short down. But yeah, otherwise, stay out of trying to short all-time highs unless you have clear confirmation.
Yeah.
Otherwise, just look for longs.
That's
That's
some
the
good
way I go
advice,
about
Joe.
it.
Thank you. You guys take this advice. You guys don't want to miss out. Hey, Joe, I do want to see something. I heard there was an insane tick or candle yesterday.
Oh, on ES, there was, but I think they fixed it. So I don't know if it's on the chart anymore. But yesterday, yeah, yesterday morning, there was like this 500 point wick on ES. And because I was looking at NQ and I looked to my left and I was like, hold up, did anybody see that? And it literally wicked all the way down like 500 points. But it was just a trading view data error is what it
Okay.
was. But yeah, it was yesterday morning, I
People
think it was right
were
around here.
posting about it so much, like, "Oh my gosh, market makers are out to get us,"
Yeah, I
which
was
I
like,
don't think
you
is the
guys,
case either.
you cannot believe that is not a real thing.
That is
Like that
not a
was
real
just
thing.
if the market makers manipulated ES for 500 points within a 1 minute candle, I think we'd have bigger problems on our hands. I don't think, yeah, that's not something that would ever happen, in my opinion. If it does, you can call me out on it, but it will never. That's not something that that normally happens. Yeah, that was crazy. I was literally looking at NQ, and then someone's like, "Did you see that?" And I look over, like, "What?" And then there was another one after that, and then NQ did it as well. Yeah, a bunch of I don't know what happened to them, but it's a few data errors. That was
Yeah,
crazy.
yeah. That's fair. That's fair. King Melody, are you here? I want to try something out with you. Are you type in the chat if you're here, King? Let's see if he's here. I want to invite him to speak. You don't have to talk. I just want to see you share your screen with that thing that you have for the number show. But I want to get you incorporated with FFF TV.
Yeah.
Watch, Joe. He made something where it's just like a panel, I guess, and it's like a video AI thing with like our cell and stuff like that. It's pretty
Oh, really?
sick. Yeah.
Nice. Little graphic design action.
Yeah. And I saw it and I was like, dude, you need to do that with us. But
That'd be
King Melody, I need the code to be FFTV. Let me check on that code actually. TV. Active. Check on the coupon. All right, it's set. Wow, it's already June, guys. Why is this month going so fast? Or this year,
Isn't that crazy?
dude? For no reason either. I have no idea why this. Look at that.
Hey,
Wow, stream Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Let's see
that looks
all
sick.
of it. I know he killed it. We need to fix it though. I gotta update you with everything. Drew, look at that. Yeah, and he makes music too.
Hey.
The Asia stream. Look at that. Hey, that's just cooler than mine though. Make it cool too.
That's
Look at
clean.
that. You gotta have somewhere in there, King, where it says use code FFFTV. We'd like to sell. I'll hit you up after. We'll get it going because that's so sweet. Let's hear the music.
Dude, got some
I want to
music?
hear some music. Okay, look, there's the code. This month only, use code FFF. Guys, just so you see though, use code FFF, 80% off velocity. That's $16 eval, guys, with no activation
Crazy.
fee. 40% off Premiere and 30% off Prime. London stream, Tara and 11. Tara. Her name's actually Tara. She's from Barcelona.
We taking off the night. Gold on the mic. First account loaded small. Big screen, fresh from the bottom. When my hands on the keys. Set up in the dark, target on my face. Heartbeat in the bass. Car in the play. Marching like a prayer. Running this town. Built from the ground up with the crown.
That was good.
Yeah.
I heard FFF in there. That was good. That was cool.
Funded Futures family.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Wow, that's crazy. Hey, Melody. I need to send him like a eval for that.
Gold on the mic. Got the whole room bright. When the markets start moving, we ignite. Yeah, FFF, that's the anthem, that's the sound. Funded Futures family, we run this town. Built from the ground, now we wear the crown. Dreams get funded when we come around. I had a vision,
Dang.
every line, every trade, yeah, we hold it down. Risk on lock, charts talk, we don't chase, we lead. Pressure turn to power when you plant that seed. From the screen to the skyline, watch the whole thing glow. Every win like a prayer when the numbers grow. Family first, that's the code, that's the vow we give. FFF forever, this is how we live.
That is crazy. All right, King, you
Hey.
killed it, man. Thank you, man. I appreciate you loving FFF. I'm gonna give you some accounts for that one, man. Just DM me right after. We'll get it set up right. We'll get it clean, and I got more to give, man. Joe, what'd you think? That was crazy,
Let's
huh?
go. I like it, man. I
I
like it.
know. King, do you have like a Spotify or something I could lead people to? Let me know. Let me know. Just type in the chat.
We can run a freestyle stream.
Yeah. Yeah, I got you. Yeah, FFF here in the house. We chilling over here. I can't say what I want to say. I'm gonna just leave that. I'll be careful. Ah, Joe, you remember we're the freestyle masters.
Yeah, man. Come on. Come on.
Guys, when we played baseball, we always would run freestyles when we would drive to different games. And it was
That was the
fun.
best.
Yeah. Then so JoJo is 2 years older than me. I was a younger kid. I think I was the only freshman on the team when you guys were juniors.
Yeah.
And these guys would bring airsoft guns and shoot them at us right before practice. Oh man, that
Hey,
was
it's a
rough.
little initiation on
Yeah.
the team.
That was rough, man. Yeah, we are in real life friends. And JoJo and I have known each other for like 8 years now, probably, right? 9 years?
Probably since 9
9
years.
years.
Yeah.
Yeah. Crazy. I love that
Crazy,
we're
dude.
trading. We're here trading. It's
I
awesome.
know. We're not just internet friends, guys.
No blind meets from bully to friend.
I never
No, he
bullied
was
you.
never a bully. It was my brother. He was a bully. Yeah, it was crazy. All right, yeah, let's run a giveaway. Man, that's the thing too. That's hard. Is the market's it's so slow right now. I mean, I know that it already happened, but it
Low
is pretty
volume, man.
slow. No volume.
This was the move right here. This
No.
was the move of the day. This, well, besides the initial drop, this was the move of the day right here.
That was a hard sell. Did you guys knew you guys traded? You just found out. I was always involved, I'd say. I have photos on my camera when we would be in like my grandma's house looking at the markets. But it was mainly options when we started. Lol, what a joke. What's a joke, Burge Nate? What's going on? Bears don't short flash. You catch that sell? No, I did not catch a sell. Why can't I get my account? I want no one wants to answer me ever. I try to get you, but they say you wouldn't be able to do anything for your account wise. DM me and see what else I can give you. I think you're in prestige. Pro stage, yeah. DM me and see if I can add more balance to your account or something. It's a little different in your case, but it's fine. I can always help out with giving you more minis or something like that. So just DM me and I'll try to flip it however I can. Of course. Now BRZ Nate saying thank you. Earlier you were saying we're a joke. Can't switch up that quick, man. I get it though. I get it though. Just DM me. I'll work with you. Giveaway for all guys. When we get to 20 million payouts, I'm gonna give away 20 accounts that day. Today I'm giving away 19. We're at 3 giving away. That means I got 16 left to go on the day. I'm gonna make an announcement on that in a bit. But Joe, we need to give away 2 more accounts, right?
Bro, let's do it.
Let's do it. All right, all right. Oh, dude, look at it's going short again. It's gonna hit your TP.
Dude,
Oh,
all right, this is now.
oh, shoot. What
That's
do
the
you think?
TP right
You think it's
there.
gonna bounce back up, reversal?
Yeah, I'd be expecting a reversal back up out of basically anywhere from 754, maybe even all the way down to 570
Wow. That's
or
a big drop,
574
dude.
down to
That's a
570.
big drop.
Dude, I don't want to talk about it. I don't want to talk about it.
That's so funny,
I'm
man.
ignoring
Buying challenges, well. Dave Chris, have you won a giveaway this month? How's it? Not at all.
it. 1,000.
Freaking 1,000, he's funny, man. 1,000 DM me. I think I have news for you. Sorry, I've just been busy, man. So I need to keep killing it. But DM me, man. Or text me. You have my phone number. You know, my fear is always that my phone number is gonna get leaked and people are just gonna text me. That's such a fear of mine.
Then you're gonna have to get a new phone number.
Yeah. Yeah, that would suck. One thing though too, I remember someone mentioning that they're like, why is David's name? Why do I have I mean, I know you're Trader Joe, right? But this is what I feel good about FFF, and I'm gonna stick with it. We are a very personable firm. I think you come in here, you're gonna be talking to me, you're gonna be talking to my mods, you're gonna be talking to pretty much anyone. I'm the ops manager. I'm seeing everything. I'm all the stats, all the all the data, everything. And I love talking to everyone. Yeah, my name is David Moraz. That's my real name. It's not fake. Um, But no, I didn't just add you, by the way, zero. But I mean, that's what you're gonna get when you're here. I don't think it's a bad thing that it's my public name, but I think it should make you guys feel better. Like, oh, real David is talking to me. I heard someone mention like, why is his real name out there? That's really sketchy. I don't think it's sketchy at all. I mean, people are gonna do whatever they want to do, whenever they want to do it. They're not. I'm not gonna stop them, but I think the other people are feeling really good that they can talk to me. They know me. It's personable. So it's pretty sick, and I'm gonna keep doing it. I'm gonna keep being a figure for you guys and someone you guys can keep talking to. And I think I'm always gonna be on the chat because I do love talking to all the traders. I like connecting it. And yeah, I run a business. It's a professional thing too. I think people will feel better knowing that you know they're talking to someone directly running it. It's not just bots. It's not just outsourced people. It's me. Yeah, I think we really
Yeah,
try to be very friendly. We try to be personable. When you join FF, you're part of the family. And that's what the most important part is. I think when you guys join in, you talk to us, you guys have a problem. A lot of people flip out, but then 2 minutes later, once they get it solved, they're like, "Oh, you guys are so nice, thank you." And I'm like, "Okay." If you guys ever see drama, it's just because people get really upset, which is totally understandable. It's a very upsetting environment sometimes. Uh, but play by the rules, get paid. I think version 2 of FFF is going to be more than amazing. I don't think you guys are ready for it at all. Or volume 2, right? Version 2? I've already forgot.
volume,
Volume
volume two.
2. So I think you guys are going to be more than impressed. And I think FFF will become the biggest very soon.
I agree, man.
I
I
can't
think
give
the
any hints about volume 2. But the hint is volume 2. Hope dashboard's gonna update fast. I think our dashboard's already instant. How long does it take you? Guys, does your dashboard update instantly or how is it looking? 1 to 5 minutes. See, that's good sometimes. Let me know though, guys. You gotta let me know. I gotta make sure that it's going fast. Zero. Why is yours taking a day?
Yeah, that shouldn't happen.
No, it shouldn't happen. Is that recently or was that like a couple of weeks ago? I'm talking about recent. We've made a lot of changes, big API changes recently. So can this DGen get an account? I'll run a giveaway, but who knows? When is the stream with the Wealth Charts people? The stream with the Wealth Charts people, I have to call Rob today and see when he'll be available. It's like bread and butter, but had blown them. But we be okay. Every time to give me my drawdown limits. Hey Joe, should I work on this idea? I mean, I'm kind of thinking about it, but what if I made a version of the velocity that's end of day?
I like that. I think that's a good idea.
Yeah. I mean, I could do
I'll
it.
always
It's just gonna
suggest
be more
EOD.
expensive. I don't know how many people would
Yeah,
buy it. I might try it for like a limited time, see how it works. It's like an add-on, right? Run some data
I
on
think it
it,
would be good.
see for a week. King, my birthday is 11/11, November 11th. I have a friend. Wow, dude, it's just still going down.
Yeah, there's a lot of selling pressure in this market right now. It will
Wow.
come back up, maybe probably within the next hour. We'll see it come back up, but it
Yeah.
might take a little bit.
If I make an end of day option on velocity, it will not be cheap. Can't do that. You have to get the 50 velocity. I went on YouTube stream last Friday. Open ticket S. What your name is, but starts with S. Tested for a month. Why need to test an account for a month? Cheaper than Apex. Always cheaper than Apex. Of course, cheaper than Apex. I mean, our cheapest account is $16, guys. Who else has that with no activation fee?
Yeah, actually crazy.
Yeah. It is crazy. I think like I said, we're family here. All right, guys, let's do another giveaway. Give it up for Trader Joe. Ask some questions for Trader Joe. We're ready to answer some, guys. We got about 5 to 10 minutes left of this today, so we're gonna do one more giveaway. What are your hard rules for daily, weekly, or monthly drawdowns? What specific actions do you take at each threshold?
Hard rules for drawdowns is don't be in drawdown. No, I'm just kidding. You always go through drawdown periods. For me, I'm typically a 1% a day risk kind of guy. Um, and if that means if I lose 30 days in a row, which would never happen, if I did, then I would be down 30% of my account and I'd still be alive, right? But I like to keep my risk somewhat tight with enough room to grow. I don't like to change things though. If the one thing about being in drawdown is you don't want to just start changing things too much. Too many people will go in drawdown and then full port their account. I try not to do that. Um, or it's better to size down in drawdown than to size up, right? That's my opinion. So I don't change too much if I'm in drawdown. I just keep trading the same way. And again, if you have a proven strategy with data, if you lose a few trades, you're going to bring that account right back, right? And the thing is, if you lose, like you shouldn't blow an account unless you lose a lot of trades in a row. That's how I see it. Easier said than done. But if I lose a bunch of trades in a row, I'm still going to have my account, and all it takes is a few trades to make all those losses back. Because I focus on risk management so much that if I lose, let's say I lose 5 trades in a row, I could make that loss back in maybe 2 trades. And again, it's not, and that's why I don't focus as much about win rate. I focus more on risk to reward. But if you have good risk reward and a high win rate, then you're set. So yeah, don't change things too much. If anything, I like to size down when I'm in drawdown instead of sizing up.
Yeah. How do you like your steak? Well done steak is not good, guys. There's the most
I'm not
chewy
no.
thing in the world. I can't believe you said that. I should ban you for that. Just kidding. I
I'm
won't
a
ban you for
medium
it,
to
but
I'm
that
a
is
medium to a
horrible.
medium rare guy.
Yeah. Medium because they undercook it sometimes. That's the only reason why medium.
Yeah, yeah. So then it ends up being medium rare, even if you order it medium.
Yeah, that's usually the case. I do the same thing. Who was the person that asked that question? I'll give them the account. Wow, that was a really good question. Let me see. Let me see. Uh, okay, X Hub. You are the winner. Can you just tell me what your thought on your name was? Like, how did you choose your name? X Hub.
Ooh, Johnny is a good example actually. So Johnny is in my Discord, and he recently started a funded account. His first day, Johnny went down $1,000, $1,000, and what we talked about is stop trading. Right, you're done for the day, and what you have to do is just size down and slowly build your way back up, and you'll be back to no time. And what did Johnny do the next 2 days? He got his account. I think you're basically at break even again, right, Johnny? Because he sized down, he took it slow, he took A+ setups, and it doesn't matter if you're in the drawdown. Yeah, you're only down $200 after your first day being 1,000, right? So people freak out the second they go into drawdown, and then they blow their accounts because they go on tilt. But what Johnny did is a great example. Is he calmed himself down, he locked himself out for the day. He came back the next day, took a good trade. Came back the next day after that, took a good trade, and now he's chilling. That's a great example of how to deal with drawdown. Don't freak out. Don't over leverage. Stay calm. Take good trades.
Awesome. Love it. Love it. Love it. What's your dog's name? Gooey, right?
Gooey. His name is Gooey the Golden
Awesome.
Retriever.
All right, guys. Well, that concludes FFF TV. Thank you guys for tuning in. Again, thank you, Joe. I'll see you later today. Guys, JoJo is part of the team, guys. He's a killer.
Yes,
As
sir.
you guys know, he knows exactly what he's talking about, guys. DM me or DM one of the mods, open one of the tickets if you guys want to give away. By the way, if you guys are caught opening a DM and you don't have a giveaway or a giveaway thing acting like you did, you will be banned because it's so unfair for us, you know. But
Don't do it.
open one of the giveaway tickets, guys, if you want to give away, and we'll get you that account very soon. Okay. Besides that, let's keep killing it, guys. Let's have a good week. It's only Tuesday, right? Or Wednesday, shoot.
Wednesday.
Where'd I go? Okay. But let's keep killing it, guys. Thank you guys for tuning in. We'll see you guys next time.
This content is presented by Funded Futures Family for educational and entertainment purposes only. This live show does not provide financial or investment advice. Futures trading involves substantial risk of loss and is not suitable for everyone. All trades, analysis, market opinions, and commentary reflect personal perspectives only and may change without notice. Past performance does not guarantee future results. Simulated performance results have inherent limitations and do not represent actual live trading. You are solely responsible for your own trading decisions, risk management, and results. Always do your own research and consult a licensed financial professional before making any trading decisions. Viewing this content does not create a client, advisory, or fiduciary relationship. This content is